at the fire open house at Norton Shores.
I'm here with the criminal justice class from the CTC.
A lot of activities are run by the criminal justice students.
One of the activities that they can do actually involves going and putting out a fire. They're going to learn the different ways to use a fire extinguisher, and it's just a great way to get the family together. It's something that I've always looked forward to, and not getting to do this last year was kind of a bummer. So being here this year, being able to help out and volunteer, actually it's a great thing to do. It makes me happy, and I love being here. It's a great thing to know like what would happen and what it would be like if you got into a car accident. Another reason why we do this is students and children can come out and see the police and firefighters just as regular people. I mean, they're not scary, they're awesome, helpful people.
It gives us better experience. Like, we're trying, like, most of the people in criminal justice are in it because they want the experience and they want to go into a public safety field. And what's better than working with people who are already in public safety?
It's nice seeing everybody as a group again.